Hey everybody, Ryan here again doing another quick video of my 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport. Oh yeah. And today I just wanted to quickly talk about, sorry I got her in my little carport here, these lights that I put in. Yes, I put in some LED lights on either side. I may order a different one with a different shape, but I'm going to just show you how I wired them in, kind of what they look like. And yeah, I've also kind of ran the system through here. So now the trick to putting in any of these little systems is making sure you get the right harness. So you have to wire this up properly, or else a couple things can happen. One, you'll drain your battery because you'll just always be running it, or two, you'll blow a fuse. So we're taking a look. I've now turned them off. Okay, they're neither end here. But this is where I've wired them. You always need a ground connection. Okay, and of course you need a power source. And I ran it over here. So this is where I've kind of topped it off. Just a little guy like this. I'm just going to get my hand in here. And you can see I've just got the positive connection there. So it's pretty simple how I've wired it up. It's not the prettiest job, and tomorrow I'm going to tuck these wires in a little bit better. But for now, this is what I have. So we have our power source, we have our ground wire, and of course it took me a while, but I ran them and separated them on the inside. Okay, and I'm going to clean this up because that looks like crap. But what we've done is we got one here, and then from the inside, I've ran the other to here. Okay, and you know what? When these came in, I'm not the biggest fan of these lights, but I'm going to stick with them for now and see what I think later. But, of course, you need to have the switch. So I ran this here. Here's another wire here that, of course, I had to run as a ground wire. So, again, power source, ground wire, another ground wire, because this leads into the switch, which I ran here. In a better world, I would have done a better job, and I would run it down here through the wheel well, or rather through where the pedals are and all that stuff. But for now, I've done this because I just wanted to see if it would work out. So that's it. It's pretty simple. I don't need to have the car on or off to run the thing. So let me know your thoughts, you guys, in the comments. It's really about having fun, learning different things you can do. A few years ago, I didn't know how to wire a car like that, and now I can put in those LED lights. It looks so good riding at night, and I think it just adds a whole new level or dynamic to what's already such a glorious car. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.